Welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna review this Tarmac Porsche 911 GT3. So this is the 996 generation, and I got this off Toys R Us. So there's a little barcode right there. Yeah, let's get this open. So we have a chance of chase, but I don't want the chase here because this is silver. And I want the silver colored car. Alright, I do not want the chase. Like, genuinely, I do not want the chase because I want to display this. And yeah, right now I have yeah, you see silver. So yeah, I love these Tarmac boxes. The way they open, they just reveal the car. Yeah, that's super nice. I honestly love the way they do these boxes. I love it. Continue doing these boxes, Tarmac. It's pretty good. Alright, yes. We didn't get the chase. Look at that. Now, I'm a little scared because I might have some defects, and I do not want defects here. Alright, so silver GT3. This is not the RS version. I have the RS with me right now, but it's not from Tarmac. It's from Kyosho. But we'll check that out later and compare. So yeah, the Friday headlights, iconic. We've got a plate number, SPR 996. What plate is that? Is that a British plate? I can't tell. No, British plates at the back are yellow, I believe. No, I don't know what plate this is, but pretty cool, pretty cool. Unfortunately, with Tarmac, this is a plastic base, so it is a little light. Honestly, not too light, but a little light. So keep that in mind. So you got two screws under, so you can actually take this apart. You got this exhaust system, which is, there you go, pretty alright. The rear wing matches the colors, so it's quite nice. I thought, because this rear wing is a separate piece, and I thought it would look weird. But no. So yeah, GT Silver Metallic. This is exactly the color I wanted on my GT3. And there you go. I have this now, the Tarmac GT3. But look at the Kyosho GT3 RS. So I've been trying to find this Kyosho in a GT3 version, in actually the exact same version as the Tarmac I'm holding, but I couldn't. And now I've completed what I wanted from the 996 generation Porsches. So yes, the Tarmac one does look a little better now that I have both in hand. So this is a this is the 996.2, I believe, because look, there's a difference in the headlights. This is the 996.1, I think, GT3 RS. Or is it the opposite? No, it's the opposite, right? This is the 996.1 GT3. This is 996.2 GT3 RS, I think. Alright, I'm not an expert on the 996, but there you go. The wheels, the Tarmac ones are better. I mean, the doors, the Tarmac is actually pretty good. How does it roll? I'm interested just to see. Very nice. Alright, very, very nice. So there you go, you got more detail at the back as well on the Tarmac version. However, I prefer the GT3 RS, so this stance, the way this stands and the stance of the whole car is much nicer. With that GT3, it's not bad. It's not bad, it's quite good. However, I've seen like some small little defects. You see that paint chip right there. It's not really a paint chip, it's just like some black and that silver. Yeah, I mean, nothing else. So it's pretty solid. Again, the rims, the wheels and the rims are very thin. That's what I don't like though. Very light, very thin. Which one is lighter? Oh yeah, the Tarmac is lighter than the Kyosho, and Kyoshos are kind of light. So yeah, unfortunately, yeah. But yeah, this is very solid. This is a new casting as well, I forgot to mention. So QC8, there it is. The Tarmac Porsche 911 GT3 Type 996. There you go. Oh, ooh la la. Gotta be careful here. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'd rate this a 8.5. A solid 8.5. Because the casting itself is pretty good. And you got those Porsche logos and emblems, plate numbers. Solid detail for a car that costs what? $11, $12? Pretty good. Pretty decent. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.